Match the letters with the given pictures. हरूफ को दी गई तस्वीरों के साथ मिलाइए. First we identify the letter and say the name of given objects. अब हम हर्फ को पहचानेंगे और दी गई चीजों के नाम कहेंगे. Then we identify the first letter of the name and match small letter with the picture. फिर हम नाम का पहला हर्फ पहचानेंगे और छोटे हरूफ को तस्वीर के साथ मिलाएंगे. J stands for Jeep. Now we search the picture of a Jeep. Mango, lion, cattle, nib, owl, peacock. Qaida-e-Azam, ring, iron, Jeep. Yes, this is the picture of a Jeep. So we match J with the picture of a Jeep. I stands for iron. Now we search the picture of an iron. Mango, lion, cattle, nib, owl, peacock. Qaida-e-Azam, ring, iron. This is the picture of an iron. So we match I with the picture of an iron. K stands for cattle. Now we search the picture of a cattle. Mango, lion, cattle. Yes, this is the picture of a cattle. So we match K with the picture of a cattle. O stands for owl. Now we search the picture of an owl. Mango, lion, cattle, nib, owl. Yes, this is the picture of an owl. So we match O with the picture of an owl. P stands for peacock. Now we search the picture of a peacock. Mango, lion, cattle, nib, owl, peacock. This is the picture of a peacock. So we match P with the picture of a peacock. Q stands for Qaida-e-Azam. Now we search the picture of Qaida-e-Azam. Mango, lion, cattle, nib, owl, peacock. Qaida-e-Azam. Yes, this is the picture of Qaida-e-Azam. So we match Q with the picture of Qaida-e-Azam. L stands for lion. Now we search the picture of a lion. Mango, lion. Yes, this is the picture of a lion. So we match L with the picture of a lion. R stands for ring. Now we search the picture of a ring. Mango, lion, cattle, nib, owl, peacock. Qaida-e-Azam, ring. Yes, this is the picture of a ring. So we match R with the picture of a ring. M stands for mango. Mango is the first picture in the first row. So we match M with the picture of a mango. N stands for nib. Now we search the picture of a nib. Mango, lion, cattle, nib. Yes, this is the picture of a nib. So we match N with the picture of a nib.